Instagram has introduced a new feature called Instants. They let you send a photo that disappears after it's been viewed, similar to Snapchat. The twist is that Instants must be taken live inside the app. You can't upload from your camera roll, and you can't edit the photo before sending it. And there's a 24-hour limit. If the person you send it to doesn't open it in time, it disappears anyway. To get started, open Instagram and tap the messages icon in the middle of the bottom menu bar. Inside your inbox, look for the small stack of photos or a small plus icon in the bottom right corner. That's Instants. If you're using it for the first time, you'll see a short explainer. Tap how it works, swipe through it, and you're good to go. This opens the Instant Camera, the place where you'll take your live photo. Instants are real-time only, so there's no option to pick an existing photo from your gallery. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your camera controls. Switch between the front and rear cameras using the rotate icon and toggle the flash on or off if you need extra light. There are no filters or editing tools here. Instants are designed to stay unedited and spontaneous. Before sending, choose who can see your instant. You can share it with your close friends list or with mutuals, people who follow you and you follow back. You can't send instants to everyone, so if someone isn't appearing here, that's why. When you're ready, tap the white shutter button to take your photo. You'll get a brief chance to undo it if you change your mind. After that, it sends straight to the audience you selected. One important note: screenshots and screen recordings are blocked on the recipient's device, on both iPhone and Android. To check instants you've sent before, tap the icon in the top right corner to open your history. Select any instant to see reactions or replies. Your sent instants stay in your private archive for up to a year. The recipient only ever sees them once, and then they're gone. If you want to remove one from your archive, tap the three-dot menu next to it, choose Delete Instant, and that's how Instagram Instants works. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more simple tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.